Alam nyo guys, muntikan na kaming mag-away ng afam ko in processing our K1 visa. Kasi nga, gusto niya mag-lawyer or mag-agency. Ito si ako naman, gusto ko lang mag-DIY para makatipid. And it's not easy. Kasi it took 3 months na pag-aaral. Oo. I watch YouTube videos, ganon. I search in Google, like that, about the information of K1 fiancé visa. And it's not easy. Kasi nga, na-stress ako, ganon, lalong-lalo na nag-aaral din ako. And isa din ako sa nag-overthink if tama ba yung kinumpiled ko na mga documents. So, kung ayaw mo dyan ma-stress at ayaw mong mag-overthink, so the only visa service that I would highly recommend in securing your visa is Filipino Visa, because they are going to help you throughout the process. And hindi ka na mag-overthink because they are more knowledgeable, they are more expert kasi marami na silang natulungan ng mga tao na nakapunta na ngayon sa US. Diba? Hindi ka na may stress, less hassle, at mas mapapabilis pa yung pag-process ng visa mo. So ayaw ko kayong ma-stress. For more information about Filipino Visa, you can see the link on my bio. Good luck on your journey of processing your visa.